Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another advent calendar for you, but it's a little bit different. Instead of a advent calendar leading up to Christmas, this one is from Christmas to New Year, and it's Aldi's LACURA Countdown to New Year calendar. This is what it looks like. I'll show you all the items on the back there. Inside contains 6 LACURA favourites, and the aim is to open it up on Boxing Day all the way until New Year's Eve. So the cost of this advent calendar is £14.99, and it goes on sale in all Aldi's today, which is the 21st of November. So because it's a little bit different to your traditional advent calendar, I thought I would get it and do a video to show you. So I'm going to open it all up and show you what you'll receive day by day. So it's a complete spoiler. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's only small, but it is really pretty. It is really pretty. So you open it up like that, and then you've got all the different days here. And then it's just got written in the side here, a little treat each day on your countdown to New Year. So day number 26 then, Boxing Day over here. And we got a toner. I've got one of these and they're brilliant. They're really, really good. This is a Healthy Glow Retinol Toner, multi-action toner with 5% niacinamide, retinol and jasmine flower. So it's a little mini version. But how much is this? It's 75 mils. I think, is it 200 mils for the bigger bottle? I'm not too sure. It costs around £3.99 in stores. So yeah, it's a really, really nice toner. Really nice toner. So has it got any extra information on the back I can tell you? It's specially formulated to reveal rejuvenated skin and help to reduce the appearance of signs of skin aging. This multi-action treatment, developed with antioxidants, will leave your skin feeling instantly smoother, softer and moisturised. Just after 2 weeks, skin tone will appear more even, healthy and radiant. And it just says suitable for normal skin and for vegetarians and vegans. And I forgot to say as well, all LACURA products are all cruelty free. Also, if you didn't already know, these are a cheeky dupe of the Pixie toners, or the Pixie tonics I should say. So yeah, so that's day 26. 27 at the top here. And we got a mask. It's a golden glow mask for all skin types. That's what it looks like there. And this is 50 mils. Now, I didn't know if this was a dupe of any other product or not, but having a look online, some people are saying it's a dupe for Glam Glow. I'm not too sure. I can't think. Is there a gold one out there? I don't know. Let me know down below. If you've got... Oh, whoa! I was expecting it to have like a covering so that you peel off, but no, it gets straight in there. Gosh, that is really pretty. It's all like sparkly and gold. You might not be able to see it on the camera. Wow! Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, that is really interesting. I was expecting it to be more like a clay mask maybe because of the Glam Glow connection. But no, it's a golden glow mask. Oh, this sounds gorgeous. Is there anything here? It doesn't say anything about it, really. But it just says, apply the gold mask to areas of the face you wish to brighten. Use on clean, dry skin, leaving the mask to work for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to remove. How strange. How strange. I'm going to have to look that up to see if I can find out any information about that. So you just put it on areas you just want to glow and then you wash it off. That is bonkers, isn't it? Bonkers. So maybe it is. Maybe there is a Glam Glow out there this is a dupe of, so I can find out more information to see if they claim to do similar things, that is. But yeah, so that is day number 27. Number 28 down here. What is it? Oh, is this the cloth? Yeah, I know what this is. I know what this is. It's a hot cloth cleanser. So we got a cloth, we got a muslin cloth here. And then we've got the hot cloth cleanser. Now, this is amazing. It's the pink clay one. It's one of my favourite of their cleansers, in all honesty. It's just so lovely. I love pink clay anyway. It's Australian pink clay. It's supposed to detox your skin, brighten your skin, and yeah, it just gets rid of impurities and just leaves your skin feeling super, super soft. And we got 75 mils here, and this is gently cleanses and exfoliates to reveal naturally healthy looking skin for all skin types. And it says skincare with bamboo, macadamia, mangosteen and pomegranate extracts. And this is a mixture of a dupe. I remember when I first received this. It's a mixture of Sand and Sky and Liz Earle. So Sand and Sky mask and Liz Earle, the hot cloth cleanser, and this is Aldi's version. So now I'm really chuffed that I got a little one like this. So that is day number, what are we, number 28? We got a cloth and a cleanser. 29 at the top here. And we got a gentle facial moisturiser for all skin types. And it's 50 mils there as well. So it looks like there. So it say, after cleansing, gently massage into face and neck, suitable to use both morning and evening. Now, I don't think this is a dupe of anything. So this is what they've come up with themselves. Ooh, a winter moisturiser, I'm thinking, definitely. Ooh, that just feels so nice. It is quite thick and creamy, so either, for me, I'm thinking either a nighttime moisturiser or a moisturiser I'd wear in the winter when I wear heavier makeup, when my skin is a little bit drier. So yes, we got a gentle facial moisturiser in day number 29. 30 down here, we've got a Healthy Glow Rose Oil, and this is Nourishing Facial Oil, Rose and Pomegranate, and 25 mils here. Now this is a full-size item because I actually bought this when it came out a couple of months ago, and I personally don't like it. It's quite of a rosy smell, but I just didn't find it work well. I like wearing facial oils either at night, or I like mixing them with my moisturiser in the winter times, and I tried it with a moisturiser and it just didn't work. It just didn't feel right. It just, yeah, it didn't sit well on my skin. But yeah, apparently loads of you love it. So talking to other people, and yeah, you say it's brilliant, and it's a dupe of Pixie as well. Yeah, it is strong. Strong rosy smells. Just says for daily use, both AM and PM, after cleansing and toning your face, massage 2 to 3 drops onto skin, or add 1 to 2 drops into your moisturiser before applying for extra hydration. And it's suitable for all skin types as well. So there's that in day number 30. And New Year's Eve, up here, New Year's Eve, what have we got? Got a perfume. Oh, and I can't get it out. Oh, it's quite a heavy bottle. So this is Bitter Orange, number 10, Luxury Eau de Toilette. And this is 15 mils. It's a really smart bottle. I've never smelt this before. Never smelt it, but I'm assuming it's going to smell like an Aperol Spritz. I don't know. I'm not going to spray it myself just in case I don't like it, and I'll be stuck with the smell then. Oh, it does smell more perfumey. I was expecting it to be more just like a bitter orange, and that, you know, I just walk around and people thinking, gosh, it smells of oranges. But it's not. It's got that bitter orange smell in there. I'm not very good at telling you, describing it. It's got that bitter orange smell in there, but it's also, you can smell it's a lady's perfume. That is quite nice. I'm going to spray that and see how I like it throughout the day. No, oh, that is nice. So yeah, so that is day number 31. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up because there's only a few of them. I can hold them. Not sure if you can see them all there. At the countdown to New Year, there's 6 products. We've got a face moisturiser. We've got a glow mask, which I can't wait to try. We've got a retinol toner. We've got a hot cloth cleanser. We've got a face oil, and we've got a perfume as well. But I think it's lovely. I think it's such a great idea. Something completely different, isn't it? Something to look forward to after Christmas, or it'd make a good Christmas present actually, wouldn't it? Just something extra under the tree to open up on Boxing Day, and then you have, you know, you open up a little treat day by day. So yeah, if you love your LACURA products, I think you would love this calendar. Price point is good as well. I think it's worth $14.99, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. So I'm really chuffed I've got it. I know I'm opening it up early, so, but yeah, I just wanted to show you. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you're going to get it, or if you've already gone out and bought it this morning. Even if you don't like it and you think, no, you know, it's a waste of money, whatever, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to read. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please give me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.